Hi guys, so this is the first episode opening these things right here. I gotta bring them here. These aren't smoking blocks, so, but they're just money winning things. So we're going to be playing fishbowl today. Oh, I gotta put in my chair. That's good. So, number 1. It's a loser right there. $0. $0 again. So maybe I might win some money. I actually won a lot of money in these things. This is where I won all my $100 and stuff. Oh, I won $1. So.
Oh, you taping it.
Another $1. No money. So far I won $2. A loser. So let's peel the box. This is how I always do it. To remember how I did it before and now. These are losers, but so far I won $2. She's not the YouTuber, I'm the YouTuber. In 5 weeks, we're going to make a channel for Bear, right, Grammy? Right, Grammy?
No.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! I just can't believe it.
How much is it?
$100.
Here, put it over here.
$102. So one. Now I can get my $100 in Robux. Ooh, this is a good bad boy. This is $25. Oh my goodness.
Did you do a $25 one?
Yeah.
Oh. Today's a good day, huh?
Yeah, but not as good as about 50. It's like half of that 51 that one day.
Yeah.
And I couldn't believe I did it. I was like, whoa, I'm amazing. I won $50. Right?
Yep.
And I told everybody in the house.
Yep.
And the one got me upset. And a few customers in this place got me upset. So this is the new one. It's not 100.
What is it?
It's a loser, but it's not 100. $5. How are you keep on showing me a bunch of winners? Oh my god. I'm gonna open this one. Oh, so close to winning. Look.
Yeah.
That stupid store. Right?
Yeah.
I could show you a hawker thing. I could show you it. Look. You could just feel free. Look. This one's a loser.
Yeah.
Do you know why?
So,
That's because there's no line here or here. You didn't know that? You
no,
didn't know
sometimes
that?
they're all in one row. You gotta open all of them.
But it's a hacker move, right?
Yep. There probably ain't no more winners in here. Just lucky to get $100 out of it.
I'm going to try opening these little ones.
Open your fishy hook.
For a second thought, these was some pieces of trash, but they're good. Tiny pieces of trash.
I'm gonna open the rest of these ones up.
I wish if the numbers was there, if it's like 1,785, like you win $1,000, right? I wish that would happen, right?
Yep.
Then I would keep on getting billions of bucks in Robux, right?
Yep.
I could get thousands and quadrillions of Robux from that, right? Whoops, a loser. I accidentally picked the loser one. Flip it around. I'm gonna wait, get this piece. Oh, so freaking hard. Frick. Oh, I got it. Oh my god, value won $100, right? Right. I'm rich. I'm the richest kid in the world.
Are these losers?
Yeah, in that pile right there.
This is all losers.
Yeah. All pieces of trash. Right?
Yep. I opened all those other ones. There was no more winners in there.
At least we won a bunch of money, right? Big monies, right? Dang it. But saying I won
There's
25
one more.
bucks, right? Oh, I almost mixed it up with a loser. Loser.
How much did you win?
Or 100, 105, 106,
This one. That's good.
107,
And then 25,
100, and
32.
hey, with
What?
that one dot right here, I want to keep going. But so, watch another episode with me opening these things. So,
I'm a
bye
winner.
guys.
I'm a winner.
But you don't give the money. Bye.